Sip. Hey everyone, what's up? Welcome to our podcast. My name is Abi, and today I'm here with my partner Imam. Today we are going to talk about something that's very close to our daily life, especially a student, which is the internet. So, Imam, before we start, how often do you actually use the internet in a day?
Honestly, almost all day. From the moment I wake up until I go to sleep, I connect to the internet in some way. Sometimes for studying, sometimes for chatting with friends, and sometimes just for entertainment. It feels like the internet has become part of my daily routine without me realizing it.
Yeah, I feel the same way. For me, the internet is really helpful, but sometimes I feel like I depend on too much to it. There are moments when I open my phone without any clear purpose. I just scroll. Do you think you ever feel like internet controls your habit more than you control it?
Yeah, definitely. Divinely. Sometimes I realize that I'm using the internet because I need it, but because I'm bored. It's useful, but if you don't control, it can easily take a lot of our time. That's when I think self-control becomes really important.
In daily life, the internet really changed how we communicate. We can manage to message people anytime, but sometimes face-to-face communication feel less common. Personally, I feel people are more active online than offline now. What's your opinion about that?
I agree with you. People are very expressive online, but sometimes quiet in real life. However, I still think the internet helps us stay connected exactly with with friends or family who live far away. So for me, it's not completely bad, but it changed the way we interact.
Yeah, as college student, the internet really changed how we study. We don't only depend on lecturer or book anymore. We can search for explanation, tutorials, and references online. But sometimes I wonder, what do you think? This makes students smarter or lazier?
Honestly, I think it depends on the person. The internet gives students more opportunities to learn, but also more distractions. When used properly, it really helps understanding.
Yeah. One positive thing I really like about the internet is the access to information. If I don't understand something, I just can easily search it online. It also helps me learn things outside the campus.
Same here. I've learned many skills from the internet that I never learned in class. It also opens job opportunities like freelancing or online work.
But we can't just ignore the negative impacts. Sometimes there's too much information and not all of it is true. Yeah.
Yeah, fake news is a serious problem. Social media can also affect mental health, exactly when people compare themselves too much with others. How does social media affect you emotionally?
Honestly, sometimes it's fun, but something it's tiring. Seeing other people lives non-stop can be overwhelming. That's why I try to take a break from social media sometimes. Another thing I notice is how the internet changed communication style. People can be brave online but really shy in real life.
I think it makes communication faster, but not always deeper. However, it really helps long distance relationships.
So, how can we use the internet more wisely?
By controlling time and choosing content carefully. Not everything online deserves our attention. If you could change one internet habit in your life, what would it be?
Hmm, that's interesting question. I will reduce screen time before sleeping. Yeah, balance is really important for our life. So, yeah, that's our discussion about the internet from our personal point of view.
We hope this conversation can make you reflect on your internet habits.
Thanks for listening. See you next time. Bye.
Bye.